Right now, vertical live streaming is one of the biggest trends for new streamers. But the problem is there's a lot of streaming platforms such as Twitch, Kick, Facebook Gaming, TikTok, and even YouTube. It can be confusing where you should actually start streaming as a beginner. So before making this video, I decided to stream on few platforms for about 30 days, and honestly, the results were quite surprising. So in this video, we're comparing TikTok Live and YouTube Live, which one might be better for beginners to start streaming in 2026. Now the reason we're focusing on TikTok Live and YouTube Live because these two platforms are pushing vertical live stream the most. And vertical streams are becoming extremely important because most of the viewers are watching content on their mobile, including live streams. And by the end of this video, I'm going to share some of my opinion on which platform should you actually start with as a beginner. So be sure to watch till the end. Now, let's start with something many beginners worried about or even concerned about. How difficult it is to set up and can your PC actually handle streaming? The good news is both TikTok Live and YouTube Live are relatively easy to set up. For YouTube Live, all you need is to apply the live streaming features by verifying your mobile number. Once you have done that, you're able to go live using either OBS Studio, Streamlabs, or even Mail Studio. All you need is to copy and paste the stream key into your broadcasting software. But when it comes to OBS Studio, you'll need to use a vertical plugin, which is Adam Vertical. If you're wondering actually how to set it up, you might want to check out my recent video, and do not worry, the process is actually very easy. Now when it comes to TikTok Live, things can work differently. If you don't have 1000 followers, you're unable to actually access the stream key, which means you have to actually go live using their own broadcasting software, that is TikTok Live Studio. But you also have to apply for the live access, which you can do it directly from TikTok Live Studio itself. And there's another cool feature that is built into Live Studio, that is OBS Virtual Camera. But you'll need to unlock it by streaming at least 3 times with 25 minutes and with your webcam on. Once you've done unlocking the features, you're able to directly virtual your vertical layout from OBS into TikTok Live Studio. Another interesting thing about vertical stream is that actually can cause lesser stress for your PC. Traditional stream uses 1920 by 1080p horizontal canvas, which requires your PC to encode a full widescreen video. But with vertical stream, the layout is often optimized for mobile viewing and with smaller layout. Because of that, it can be a bit lighter on your system, especially if you're gaming and streaming on the same PC. So for streamers with single PC setup, vertical stream is one of the best choice for you to start now with limited resource. Now here comes the most concerning things about new streamers or even the beginners, which is discoverability. On platforms such as Twitch or even Kick, it can be very difficult to get discovered because there are already thousands of people streaming at the same time. But with TikTok Live and YouTube Live, your live stream can appear directly from their For You feed, which means someone who's never seen your content before, they're able to come across to your stream while scrolling. So from my own testing, my YouTube vertical stream, it gets about 1000 to 2000 views per stream with the concurrent viewers for about 15 to 30 viewers. But from my TikTok Live, my views is about 200 to 400 views, while my concurrence is about 5 to 7 viewers per stream. Now of course, the result can be different for everyone, but both platforms were still able to bring in new viewers who had never seen my live stream. So after testing both platforms, which one is actually best for beginners? The honest answer is there isn't really a single perfect platform. Although in my case, YouTube Live gave me more views, but TikTok Live still performed well and the viewers increasing day by day. Both platforms offers good discoverability, are easy to set up, and work very well with vertical streaming. So my best advice, the best way is to multi-stream to both platforms if it's possible. That way you're able to target different type of audience at the same time. For multi-streaming in OBS, you'll need a plugin in order to do so. So you might want to check out my recent video, and do not worry, the process is also very easy. I'll put a link in the description below. And here is some tips for new streamers who actually don't realize there isn't a perfect platform that will instantly grow your stream. The main factor is about consistency and interaction. The more you stream, the more chance of people will able to discover your content, and the more you'll learn on what works best for your stream. Try to say something during live stream to make it feel more engaging engaging and more interactive. So when more viewers is interaction with your live stream, the more you get pushed or even for your page. So give it a try to multi-stream on both platforms and you'll know what works best for you. So if you do have any other question that you would like to ask me or just trying to find a place to hang out, you can drop by to my stream. I'm streaming on Twitch, TikTok and YouTube every Tuesday to Friday 8 p.m. The time zone is GMT +8. And if you're wondering on how to set up TikTok Live Studio, you might want to check out my recent video as I go through step by step. Comment down below on which platform were you planning to start with. And if you enjoy content like streaming tips, OBS tutorial and creator advice, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps the channel to grow. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching and happy streaming!